Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings to see what is really going on behind the numbers. And boy do we have a treat today. It looks like there has been a little shake-up in who is watching the financial books. Before we dive in, if you are tired of corporate mumbo-jumbo and want clear, simple explanations of these filings, hit that subscribe button. And for a deeper dive and to chat with fellow finance enthusiasts, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're looking at American Strategic Investment Company and their latest report. Now, normally we'd spend a lot of time digging into the juicy financial tables, but this filing is a bit different. It is not about a massive sales boom or bust, but rather a change in their independent accountants. Think of it like changing your doctor, but for a company's money. This section basically tells us what stock the company has that is traded on the big stock exchanges. They have common stock, which is pretty standard, and also preferred stock rights. You can see here that their common stock trades under the ticker NYC on the New York Stock Exchange. Their preferred stock rights also trade on the New York Stock Exchange. Though the true ticker for that one is a bit unusual, it might just be a placeholder here. Don't worry too much about the exact stock types for this report. The important part is who is looking at the books. So what is the main story here? The company, American Strategic Investment Company, has officially brought on a new accounting firm, CB's CPAs PC. They first mentioned this possibility back on the 16th of October 2025, but it was just a heads up, like saying you might switch dentists, now on the 28th of October 2025. They've actually gone ahead and hired them. This takes effect starting with the financial results for the period ending the 30th of September 2025, and they'll be handling the books for the entire year ending the 31st of December 2025. Now, why is this a big deal? When a public company changes its accountant, it is a signal that investors pay attention to. It is good practice for companies to disclose if there were any major disagreements or problems with the previous accountant, and this report explicitly states there were none. They're saying that in the last 2 years leading up to this change, they didn't consult the new accountants on any tricky accounting questions or reportable events that might have caused a fuss. It sounds like a smooth transition, which is a good sign. This phrase is key. It means the new accountants are now responsible for verifying the company's financial performance, not just for the full year coming up, but also for the recent past. This is where the real scrutiny begins. While this specific filing doesn't give us their latest financial numbers yet, this change in auditor signals a new chapter in how their financial health will be reported and verified. We'll have to wait for their next quarterly report, the 10Q, for the actual financial deep dive with the new accountants in charge. And who is signing off on this important update? It is Michael Lisanto, the Chief Financial Officer. This is the person at the top responsible for the company's finances, confirming this change. The date of this report is the 31st October 2025, so it is fresh off the press. So what is my take on this, on the surface? This is a standard disclosure about a change in auditors. The fact that there were no reported disagreements with their previous accountant is a positive. It means the switch seems to be driven by the company's own strategic decisions rather than any major financial red flags. However, the real test will come with the next financial report from American Strategic Investment Company. A change in auditors can sometimes lead to a different perspective on financial reporting, and we'll be watching to see if that impacts how their performance is presented. It is a reminder that understanding a company's financial health isn't just about the numbers themselves, but also about the safeguards in place to ensure those numbers are accurate and reliable. Alright, that is our breakdown of this filing. What is your take on this auditor change? Do you think it signals anything important for American Strategic Investment Company? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And subscribe for more clear and simple dives into corporate filings. And don't forget to join our Discord community for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.